Condensed milk in any pudding will be really yummy. I'm going to show you a pudding with crumbs and condensed milk filling. For this recipe I'm using 185 grams plain flour or 1 cup flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder, 65 grams or 65 milliliters melted butter, 20 grams sugar or 2 tablespoons sugar, and for the filling I'm using 3/4 cup or 185 milliliters milk and 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 eggs and half a can 195 grams condensed milk and a bit of vanilla for the filling. So let's do the crumbs first. For that, add the sugar into the flour. Into that, add the baking powder. You can add a drop of vanilla for this too. And using a spoon, mix it well and add the melted butter. The reason why I did the crumbs first, that the condensed milk is going to be thick soon and we need to add at once. So the crumbs are ready. I have this loaf pan ready, 12 by 3 inch, and add half of the crumb mix into the bottom of the pan. And leave aside. Now into the condensed milk, add about half a teaspoon of vanilla and the milk. Use a whisk and whisk the condensed milk and the milk together so it dissolves quickly. Into that, break the eggs. Whisk again. After, add 2 tablespoons corn flour into it and whisk again. After, put the pan on the stove and keep on stirring until it thickens. Once it comes to the boiling point, reduce the heat. It thickens so quickly. Once it starts thickening, take it out. So after, put the mixture into the tray and on the crumbs. Using a spatula, spread it over. After, put the rest of the crumbs on top. Now this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 minutes or until golden brown on top. The condensed milk crumbed pudding is ready. To release it, use a spoon or a spatula and release it from the tray. And then cut it according to the size you like. And I'll take one to show you. It's a really crumbly slice with a soft middle. And this is a really good dessert to serve with some ice cream or cream. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.